Are you aware when you steal your love from people and give it to ideas and principles? Because most conflicts in our lives are based on people valuing a point of view more than a person, a relationship, or even a life. We get attached to concepts and we put ourselves into little boxes in our heads. And then we label those boxes values. And when we come in contact with something from outside of those boxes, we filter everything based on this question: does this fit into my box? So when you meet somebody and they have their own boxes, but you have a conversation about your common ideas, about something that feels good for both of you, then life feels great and you feel like a fish in the water. For example, if you're having a conversation with your child on something that feels comfortable for both of you, then you feel connected. Life flows freely and graciously, and you are having a great day. But then the next day, your child comes and says, I don't want to go to school. Just picture this. It's morning. You woke up very early. You prepared breakfast, maybe even lunch, and you did everything you were supposed to do, just in time. And then the bomb drops in. I don't want to go to school. Everything was so great until this child decided to change boxes. Love? Gone. Connection? Gone. Alarms? Installed and set off. Now you only have one mission: to get this child to go back in the right box, and quickly, because the clock is ticking. And we all know the disaster that comes after that. But what we forget is that all this is not about you, nor about your alarms and fears, nor about your morning meeting that you're probably going to miss. It's about your child's need for connection. There is a split second, a point between love and panic. And if you catch it, time extends and forms a bubble that your mind isn't able to understand nor to create. Only your heart is. In that second, you can consciously choose to relax your muscles. Allow your mind to empty and start breathing slowly from the heart. Don't talk. Step out of all your boxes. Let go of all your ideas and values, and let yourself exist in the unknown, in the silence. Look into your child's eyes and rest there, unaccompanied by any thoughts. A connection is being formed, an unconditional one that is centered in your heart. It is the original form of the human being, the essence of your existence. The universe responds instantly to that strong and high vibration. Events and matter are set in motion to be rearranged so that this vibration you feel can be preserved and last longer. Your meeting may be postponed. Your child may change their mind and go to school. The design of your day may have changed so that you can experience your essence. Unconditional connection is that state of unity where everything seems to magically arrange in your life so that you can experience bliss. There is no visible action in this world that can produce this feeling. Only letting go of your boxes, values, ideas, and suspending yourself in the unknown, in complete peace and surrendering, can project you into the state of unity. However, Once you've reached that feeling, your job is not to try to preserve it. If you do that, you'll surely lose it as fast as you gained it. The logic behind this phenomenon goes like this. If you say to your emotional field that I want more of that, it literally translates into I am frustrated because I know that I can't hold on to this feeling for longer. And that feeling will only bring more of what it is, frustration. So your job is to feel it, enjoy it, live it with your eyes open, walking into your day in awe as you see the universe taking care of everything for you so that you can live more of that. Observe your words and their vibration. Observe how the world responds in harmony with who you are in the state of unity. Let life flow through you for all. If you can bend existence regarding to your child not wanting to go to school today, imagine what you could do with your highest dreams, your boldest aspirations. What if you practiced generating unconditional connection with business partners, family, and friends? What if the boxes in your mind didn't exist and you weren't attached to any ideas or values? What if you let your heart lead the way? I hope you found inspiration and you felt loved and supported, because that was the intention of this video. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to allow notifications of new videos flow freely to you.